Paloma cocktail recipe. Like a fruitier twist on a margarita, this grapefruit cocktail is ready to party. The Paloma is a thirst-quenching tequila cocktail that's very easy to mix up. A favorite drink from Mexico, it is equally popular worldwide and one of the best ways to show off a great tequila. Ingredients: 3 ounces Blanco tequila, such as Espolon or Casamigos, about 2 shots. 2 ounces grapefruit juice, about 1½ shots. Half an ounce lime juice, about half a shot. Salt rim, preferably coarse sea salt. Topo Chico, preferably twist of grapefruit or twist of lime. Ice, grapefruit wedge or lime slice for garnish. Directions: 1. Prepare the glass. Rim the glass with salt if desired. Using a grapefruit or lime wedge, rub juice around the rim and then dip rim into any salt you have on hand. 2. Make the cocktail. Fill a glass with ice. Add tequila, grapefruit juice, and lime juice. 3. Top with Topo Chico or sparkling water of your choice. 4. Garnish with grapefruit or lime wedge. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.